As a beginner, you don't need to spend hours on drawing. Draw every day, even a little, just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Helps your hand and mind to improve. I was a beginner and I used to think that I would never draw like my favorite artist. But with consistent daily practice and by taking small steps every day, I started seeing real progress. We will start an art practice routine to improve faster. In this video, you will know your material well, have a better artistic mindset, confidence in drawing with basic exercises. We'll start this by knowing our art supplies. There are endless materials in art. I'll give you a few of my favorites to start basic practice. I use cheap newsprint sheets for practice. For pencils, you can use soft charcoal pencils or earth tone pencils. You should never use bright or waxy color pencils because shadow is the absence of light and bright colors suggest the light part. We can't mix both of them together. In graphite pencils, you can use from 4B to 8B instead of using sharpener. Artists use cutter as it helps to sharpen the lead in this way. If you want to know why artists sharpen the pencils like this, let me know in the comments and I will make a different video for this part. The next material we need is sandpaper. Using sandpaper, you can sharpen your pencil to the finer point. Next thing we need here is binder clips, as binding clips are used to keep those unbound sheets together and securely on the drawing board. If you want to learn digital art, you can use the same exercises with digital tools. You can use graphic tablets that are affordable and connect to your computer. Let you draw with your stylus. For more advanced features, you can use screen tablets. Screen tablets let you draw directly on the screen for a natural feeling. There are free softwares available like Krita and Autodesk Sketchbook. These are very good options for the beginners. For advanced features, you can use paid apps like Procreate, Studio Paint, and Photoshop. These softwares help beginner artists to explore digital art and improve skills step by step. Some exercises for beginners. Drawing semicircles. It is harder than drawing straight lines. Practicing them improve consistency and accuracy in the line. Drawing repetitive motion grabs the hand to make controlled curves easily. Drawing circles help beginner to gain better control over the hands and wrist movements. Repeated circular motions train the hand to move smoothly and confidently. It reduces the stiffness of the hand and makes the lines less shaky. It helps artists to draw clean and fluid shapes. Drawing circles will relax before drawing the detailed parts. Second exercise is to draw the lines that meet at one point. Start to draw at any point outside by the center. Draw a line through the center and continue. Drawing boxes exercise. Boxes are simple forms that teach you how objects exist in 3 dimensions. Makes it easier to draw complex objects later, like buildings, furniture, and vehicles. Improves accuracy in angles, edges, and symmetry, and also encourages drawing clean, straight lines. Try to draw contour lines also. Contour lines on the boxes are lines drawn across the surface to show its 3D form. These lines wrap around the form and show how a surface curves or turns in space. It also helps you to understand the perspective of the form. In simple words, mastering boxes is equal to mastering structures. When you get comfortable drawing boxes, try to draw different forms. Next thing I recommend is gesture drawing. Gesture drawing is an idea, not a stick figure or outlines. Gesture drawing is about capturing the movement, energy, and intent of the pose, not outlining the body or drawing a stick figure. Just follow the action and flow of the body with some rhythmic strokes. Think of it as a play of rhythmic strokes. Last some thoughts to keep your mind artistic and positive. As a beginner, you don't need to spend hours on drawing. Draw every day, even a little. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day will help your hand and mind to improve. Start with basic shapes, circles, squares, and lines are the foundation of all drawings. Use references or draw from real life or photos to understand shapes and proportions, but don't aim for perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. Every drawing makes you better. Enjoy the process. Drawing should feel fun, not stressful. Every great artist was once a beginner. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and never give up. Your art will grow with you. If you face any problem in art, you are welcome to comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's learn and grow together.